Friend, how are you? I am Bhavna Kaushik, Social Studies teacher of class 6, faculty of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Children, you can see this mind map which I have already explained you in my previous lecture. I have also explained you about History of Past Chapter 1, History Definition in my previous lecture, and also about the evolution of humans. Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo heidelbergensis, Homo neanderthalensis, and Homo sapiens. The journey of an ape, how he can become an Homo sapien. Okay, why I have explained you the evolution of humans, because it was very important to read and it was a part of our past, and that is why I have explained you about the evolution of humans. Things about history in this chapter, we should also know how did we came into existence. That is why this journey is very important in history. And I have also explained you about some of the areas where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago. In this map, I have shown you the Garo Hills, the Suleiman Hills, the Kirthar Hills, where they first started growing crops and rearing animals. Today's topic. What topics we are going to cover today? We will study names of the land. On your screens, two words often used for our country are India and Bharat. India. This comes from word Indus. Indus is a river and we say Sindhu in Sanskrit. Iranians and Greeks were familiar with the Indus, called it the Hindos or the Indos. They called them Iranians and Greeks. They were familiar with this river Indus because they used to come for trade many a times crossing this river. To the east of the river was called India, and that is why it was named as India. Bharat. The name Bharat is mentioned in the Rig Veda. We are having 4 Ved, and among those 4 Ved, it is mentioned in Rig Veda 3500 years ago. And it was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest. This was taken in the Rig Veda. It is mentioned as a tribe. It was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest, and that is why it was named as Bharat. Finding out about the past. How you can find out about the past? Now there are several ways of finding out about the past. One is to search for and read books that were written long ago, called manuscripts, because they were written by hand. This comes from the Latin word manu, meaning hand. These were usually written on palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch, which because that time paper was not there, henceforth they were written on the palm leaf. Grows in the Himalayas, and these manuscripts over the years have been eaten away by the insects, and some were destroyed, but many of them were preserved in the museums and many other places, temples, so that they can see them if they want, whenever they want to see it. You can see on your screens a picture of manuscripts. So many pictures are there of manuscripts. One more picture is there. Something is engraved on the pillars, on the walls. What are these inscriptions? Inscriptions are writing or text carved on solid objects such as pillars, walls, temple, forts, caves, palaces, and stone or copper tablets. You can see the inscriptions. I have shown you the picture on the screen. Now there is a very old inscription coming over here. It was written on this wall, and it was written in Kandahar, present day Afghanistan. It was written by Ashoka, and it was written like in some orders given by the Ashoka. That time inscriptions were either the orders of the princes or the names or their rules which were engraved on the pillars so that the people can read what they have to do when they are living in a kingdom. You can see it. Next is different past. Now children, have you seen the cover of your book? What it is written? Our past. Now, did you notice the title of this book? It is Our Past. Why it is written Our Past, not Our Past? Because in the plural form, it is written because everyone is having a different past. Like for example, a farmer is having a different past, and a princess, or you can say the kings and the queens, are having the different past. You are having a different past. I am having a different past. That is why it has been written as different past, one past or many. The lives of persons are totally different, therefore, their history is also different. And that is why we are studying today history our past, not only one, different past. All have learned again many things today and new facts also in history chapter 1. By the time, stay home, stay safe, take care. I will be back. Thank you.